This is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let me launch the Play Store and get the app that I'm looking to use. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it and simply make sure that the timeout parameter is set at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally turn it off, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.